So here I have just made a simple demonstration of a T-junction. So from our country, the drivers always keeps left. So the task today is controlling a vehicle that is on this lane or moving towards this direction to join this lane at this other end here, and also control a vehicle from this lane to join the other lane here on the main highway. I'm going to choose LEDs for this purpose. I have a red LED, green and amber, and I'm going to mount them on these frames here. So I'm going to have 3 traffic lights. So the first one will be on controlling this lane, the other one will be controlling this lane, and the third one will be controlling vehicles from this lane. I'm going to solder those LEDs on these small pieces of strip boards to make it simple for them to be mounted on these frames here. Once they are soldered like this, now we are ready to mount them on these frames, and now proceed to program these cartons to cover these parts here for it to look more decent. This is how each of them will look like, and now they will be ready for mounting on these frames. So the first one will be here, the second one will come here, and then the third one will be placed somewhere around this place.
Through this code very briefly. So the first thing is declaring your constant integers. You can declare them as integers or constant integers. So we have 3 red LEDs for the right, middle and left, 3 amber LEDs for right, middle and left, green for right, middle and left as well. Then you need to type the typedef enum, then the start, then we have 4 tasks here, tested machine. Then at tested machine we are going to start with task 1. So on the void setup we are going to declare all the LEDs as outputs, followed by now the for loop setup, and we are going to start with the switch state and case task 1. The first thing will be writing the green LED at the right side high, red LED at the middle high, and the amber LED on the left side high. This will ensure that we are not stopping any lane for more than 3 times. Then we have the delay here, and then we call the task 2, then the break. So the task 2 now will now be bringing all these first LEDs which are high, we take them low, and immediately turn the red LED on the right high, the amber and the green on the middle and left respectively. Then we put a delay of this around 10 seconds, but for this case I'm going to choose 3 seconds so that the video is not too long. Then we call the task 3, then break. Then here is the task 3, putting off all the LEDs that were high on this state here, and then calling others to be high, that is the amber on the right side, the green on the middle, and the red on the left. We put that delay again. Then we now go to the last task, which is 4. Before you go to task number 4, you need to write the break command here. Then you call the task number 4. Then for the task number 4, we are going now to put all the LEDs that were on task 3 high to be low. Then call again the task 1 so that the command can run repeatedly.